Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can sell crypto on Binance mobile app. It's really fast and easy, and let me show how. So first, when you open the Binance app, on the top left corner there is little profile icon. You need to press on that and make sure that Binance Lite is not toggled on, and then go back on the main dashboard, and on the bottom right corner you should see wallets, right? And then select the spot, and you should see similar window to this, right? And if you want to sell your currency, you need to search here or on the search bar or the quick menu. So for example, let's look for Doge, right? And when you open the cryptocurrency, you can see in what fiat money or other crypto you can sell your Doge coin. So you can, as you can see here, you can sell to Australian dollar, Brazilian money, Great British Pound, Euro, or USDT, and select the one you want to. So for example, let's go to Australian dollar and select sell, and as you can see here, enter the amount of crypto you want to sell, and then you can also set the limit or trade on the market value, and then basically sell your cryptocurrency. Alright, so guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.